Here's a quick and easy way of fitting drawer fronts. Flush fitting drawer fronts. No jigs, just simple, cheap. Double stick tape, just 4 very small pieces at each corner. Just get your spaces or shims, whatever. I just use sandpaper and bits of stiff cardboard, very thin ones, as good as anything. Just balance the drawer front on there, shims under here, that one, on there. There's just a bit of cardboard on the side here. There's no side movement there. Let me just have a look what's up here. There's the bloody phone going. We don't need it. Just one shim there. And one shim here. Just check there's no movement. Have a look. Yeah. And all you do now is press in. Make sure the double stick takes. So let's see if it works. Stick them out. The drawer come out and there it is, just hanging there. And what we do next, we take one of these clamps, a little bit of sandpaper, keep it marking the drawer front, down, just away slightly, tighten up. This is a clamp from Greg, or Craig, expensive but they do the job. There. You mark where you want to put your 4 screw holes just in the corners. You can put others in later. In the centre here. They're all marked off. Just take a drill. Pull the drill out slightly. Put some pilot holes in. One. 2. Just slightly out from the mark. 3. One on the bottom, just a little bit awkward. Oh, and what we do then, what I do then, well it's completed really, is just put a countersink on. A bit awkward. They need to be in a pillar drill really, but you can't get them in, so 1, 2, 3, backhand touch, 4. Right, you get your screws. These are M530s. Just set them in. I'll just start them off with a screw. Don't no banging and slamming, just get them in nice and steady. always best just to start them off. Because your screwdriver, you know they're going to go in straight. Right, I get my faithful DeWalt, set that, and we'll have a look. That's in. That's in. That's in. It's the awkward one again, the backhand touch. That's in. So we'll just try it now. Release those. Release that. Get the hoover. The hoover's crap. The daughter took ours and gave us that load of crap. Now we'll just try it. Perfect. If you look round all there, spot on, spot on, spot on. This is going to be machined, so there's a nice fancy edge on it. So this is coming off. The drop front's 26mm, and all these units were built by myself on a Volk that we machined ourselves from logs.